Wireless Derma pens are advanced skincare tools designed for microneedling treatments without the hassle of cords. These portable, rechargeable devices help improve skin texture, reduce fine lines, scars, and boost collagen production by creating microinjuries that stimulate natural healing. Ideal for both professional and at-home use, they offer convenience, precision, and powerful results. Here are the best 4 wireless Derma pens known for their performance, quality, and user-friendly design. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 4. Hydra Pen H3 Wireless Derma Pen. This Hydra Pen H3 Wireless Derma Pen is a cutting-edge beauty device designed for effective and customizable microneedling treatments at home or in professional settings. It features a sleek metal handle and comes equipped with a powerful 700 mAh battery, offering cordless convenience for ease of use during skincare routines. The pen supports 6 adjustable speed levels, allowing users to tailor the intensity of their treatments according to their specific skin needs or preferences. This versatility ensures that both sensitive and more resilient skin types can benefit from controlled, safe microneedling sessions that stimulate collagen production and enhance skin texture. One of the standout features of the Hydra Pen H3 is its adjustable liquid output system. It includes 3 levels of liquid delivery customization designed to accommodate serums and essences with varying consistencies. Users can regulate the frequency of liquid release by adjusting the speed gear. The higher the speed, the more frequent the liquid output, and vice versa. This precise control helps maximize the absorption of skincare products during treatment, boosting their efficacy while minimizing waste. The pen's liquid reservoir holds up to 3 milliliters of product, making it suitable for multiple treatment sessions without frequent refills. Additional customization options include the ability to add logos, private labels, and package design modifications, making it an appealing choice for skincare professionals or brands looking to offer personalized beauty devices. Its combination of adjustable settings, portability, and compatibility with multiple cartridge types positions this pen as a versatile and effective tool for improving skin health, reducing fine lines, promoting collagen, and enhancing product absorption. Pros: adjustable output, wireless, versatile cartridges, portable. Cons: liquid capacity, battery life. Number 3. Dr.Pen A11 Wireless Derma Pen. This professional wireless microneedling pen, the Dr.Pen A11, combines advanced technology with thoughtful design to deliver an effective and user-friendly skincare tool. The device features a sleek water drop-shaped LED touchscreen that replaces traditional buttons, allowing users to adjust speed, pause treatment, and control other functions with a simple, responsive touch. This intuitive interface makes operations smooth and precise, enhancing the overall treatment experience, whether used at home or in a professional beauty salon. The A11 comes with a magnetic induction base that automatically stops the device when placed on the base and resumes operation once lifted. This clever feature not only prolongs battery life, but also adds a stylish display element to your skincare setup. The handle is ergonomically designed with vertical stripes, providing a non-slip grip to prevent accidental slips during treatment. Users can easily adjust the needle cartridge length from 0 to 2.5 millimeters by smoothly rotating the pen head, allowing for customized depth to target different skin concerns and treatment areas. This kit includes 20 individually sterile and wrapped replacement cartridges featuring a variety of needle configurations, 8 cartridges with 12 pins, 10 with 36 pins, and 2 Nano RX cartridges, along with 2 additional 18-pin cartridges inside the box. These multiple cartridge options allow users to treat various skin conditions on different body parts, including the face, eyes, lips, arms, legs, hands, and scalp, providing versatile and comprehensive skincare benefits. The sterile packaging ensures hygiene and safety with every use. Pros: touchscreen, magnetic base, adjustable depth, sterile cartridges. Cons: battery life, replacement cartridge cost. Number 2. Hydra Pen H5 Wireless Derma Pen. The Hydra Pen H5 Wireless Derma Pen offers a sophisticated blend of microneedling and mesotherapy designed to elevate skincare treatments through advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics. One of its standout features is the detachable 3 milliliter serum container, which simplifies the application of serums and ensures even, consistent distribution across the skin. This container supports 3 adjustable liquid flow levels, allowing users to customize the output to match the thickness of different serums. The pen's design also prevents reverse flow, enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of each treatment session by maximizing product absorption. Incorporating advanced 4-level EMS technology, the Hydra Pen H5 delivers continuous multipolar microcurrents deep into the skin. This promotes collagen production, improving skin elasticity, texture, and overall rejuvenation. The device offers 6 adjustable speed levels for precise control over needle penetration and treatment intensity. This intelligent speed adjustment lets users tailor the experience to their skin type and concerns, whether aiming for gentle maintenance or deeper therapeutic effects. Safety and user comfort are prioritized with a Pro anti-slip-based design that provides a stable grip during use, reducing the risk of slipping and ensuring precision. Additionally, a retaining cartridge connector secures the needle cartridges firmly in place, further enhancing safety and consistent results. The needle depth is adjustable from 0 to 1 mm, allowing customized treatment depths to address various skin issues effectively. The device supports both wired and wireless operation modes, with a battery life of 3 to 4 hours per charge and a charging time of around 2 hours. Its large LED control screen offers intuitive operation and displays low battery alerts, keeping users informed and in control. Pros: customizable, wireless, safe design, versatile cartridges. Cons: battery life. Number 1 in the winner is BioPen Q2 Wireless Derma Pen. Designed with both professional salons and home users in mind, it delivers advanced skincare benefits, such as reducing fine lines and wrinkles, minimizing enlarged pores, fading acne scars, evening out skin tone, improving texture, and even targeting stretch marks on areas like the abdomen and thighs. This multifunctional device supports a holistic approach to skin rejuvenation and renewal, making it a versatile tool for anyone seeking effective, non-invasive beauty treatments. The device features a smart touchscreen interface that allows users to easily adjust microneedle speeds, EMS current levels, and LED light modes, offering personalized treatment settings that can be tailored to individual skin needs. The intelligent design includes an induction base that automatically pauses the device when placed on the stand and resumes operation when lifted, ensuring both safety and convenience during use. This smart feature helps conserve battery life and prevents accidental activation. Safety and hygiene are paramount with the BioPen Q2. It comes with 3 sterile, individually packaged cartridges, designed for single use to prevent cross-contamination and maintain skin health during treatments. These cartridge options provide flexibility, allowing users to select needle configurations suitable for different treatment areas and skin sensitivities. Pros: multifunctional, user-friendly, hygienic, intelligent. Cons: battery life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.